Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Ayan o, ang mga guest of honors. Ang guest of honors. O, yung iba na wala, nauna na. Ayan yung view sa gabi dito sa Shell Residences. While you are here at top in your balcony, in your condo unit balcony, ayan o. Makikita mo sa baba yung swimming pool. Ganda, no? Ayan. And then every Saturday at 7 in the evening, may fireworks nakikita doon from SM MOA.